up, guys? It's Reg here, and it's been a day. First of all, I went through BGC this morning, and then merong ano doon, may sale. This is the Black Friday sale at Nike, at Titan, and other stores sa BGC and Soul Academy. And I went through the Yeezy registration for the Yeezy Sesame today. So I hope now I win today, but what's important today is I got this pair and it's exclusive today only. It's limited to 1:1 when you buy it in Titan, but I don't know if there's still stock. So today we'll review about the Kyrie 5 Taco PE. So itong Taco PE na to, it's very special for Kyrie Irving because it's his fifth signature shoe in the Nike silhouette. This shoe is very eye-catching to me, and as well it's very weird because of the shape of the shoe, and the foot containment, I mean, is different from the other Kyrie 5s, the other Kyrie models we've seen in the past. So let's see what's inside this and let's do it. So okay, this is the box. The design of the box is quite scary. Look at this, no? Parang kita nyo, parang Illuminati siya. But never mind of that because I think it's the design of Taco, yung nag-design itong shoe na to. It's a wrapper siya. So, from the States. So, ito, it's the box. So, then there's the Nike swoosh there on the other side. Then it says Kyrie 5 EP 10.5, my shoe size. Review lang muna tayo, aesthetics and other stuff that I can see physically. So yon, here's the box. Let's open it and then look. Very vibrant, black, gray, green, and orange silhouette of the Kyrie 5. Ito. As you can see, din sa Kyrie 5, meron siyang very unique containment system here dito sa para siyang its design, is from the Venus flytrap, yung plant na nagsasara kapag merong nakita mga animals or insects na pumasok sa loob sa kanya. So yun. So ito yung yung parang shoelace, shoe tray niya, or yung sa mga lace locks niya, nandito siya, contained siya dito sa parang Venus flytrap na style dito. So, yon. Okay. Tapos, meron silang inintroduce na bago technology sa Nike. It's like Zoom din. It's called the Nike Zoom Air Turbo. So, ito yung first time na in-implement yon sa Kyrie shoe and dun sa other shoe na may Zoom Air. So, parang daw mas maganda siyang type of Zoom Air na it would give more responsiveness to people who do cuts or yung mga quick movement. Maganda daw siya. So, yun. And then yung other design na nagpop sa akin, siguro yung malaking swoosh. Ito. Yung swoosh, the oversized swoosh na nagko-cover pati dun sa other side. So, yun. Parang medyo ako doon, medyo I'm not a big fan of that very big swoosh kasi parang it's overwhelming. Pero yun. Another plus would be its traction. Traction is like yun nga, it's modeled through the Venus flytrap design. Yan. I can see it's a combination of herringbone and then wala namang main storytelling or yung may mga nakalagay dyan na parang mga letters. So, it's a very aggressive design sa sa footbed or sa traction niya. So, it would be a very good shoe for yun nga, yung mga mahilig mag-cut or yung mag-crossover. So, it would help them in dun sa traction nila, hindi sila ma-slip, okay? So, mas maganda siya. Tapos, yun nga, yung Zoom Turbo dito sa midsole. Ito. Then I think it's supported by the Phylon din. Phylon midsole to. Ito. And then yung yung upper niya is like mesh. I think based on the footbed or the traction pad, yung shoe, it runs long and narrow. And then pala, meron ako nakita maganda dito. It's the XDR tag or the extra durable rubber tag. So, anyone who wants to use this outdoors, this is a perfect shoe for outdoors kasi nga maano siya, makapal yung rubber niya dito sa outsole traction pattern natin. So, tatagal siya for those who are playing outside. Yun nga. Overall for me, it's a very unique design, especially dito nga sa footbed. Mas maganda siguro yung containment mo dito kasi because of the flywire cables and then the new Venus flywire-like lace loop, I mean the foot containment system dito. And then yun nga, I'm still waiting for other reviews about the Air Zoom Turbo na unit na nilagay dito. So let's see how this holds up in the wooden court or other courts din. So yun. So if kung meron pa kayong makita nito sa market, please do check it out. I think Nike has released this today. It started 2 o'clock a while ago. So kung sino mang may gustong kumuha nito, just catch it on Nike BGC. And ewan ko sa Titan kung meron pa kasi I bought this from Titan. So, yon. Again, thank you guys. This is Reg. This is another episode of Reg Review. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit the subscribe button below. And at 100 subs, maybe we could give a small giveaway. So, stay tuned for that. So, this is Reg. See ya.